Sir, can we meet you, please?
Okay, my name is William C.J. Okere, Esquire.
Okay. Well, do you have a particular role you play in the branch, or are you just a floor member of the branch?
Financial member of the Nigerian Bar, Lagos branch.
Okay, good. Now, sir, the theme for this year's conference, Human Rights in Crisis, the challenges in Nigeria. Can you comment briefly and generally on that particular theme? When you hear human rights in crisis, what strikes your mind?
Yeah, basically, human rights, I would say, in my own view, is suffering. So we as legal practitioners, we need to rise up to the occasion, as our mandate is to protect the law and to protect people's rights. We should stand up for the vulnerable, people that can actually stand up for themselves. It's our duty as legal practitioners to see it as a duty for us to, give out that voice, stand for the rule of law, protect the rule of law and the rights of people that can't protect themselves. So I think I'll say for sure, if you observe our polity today, you will see that there are infringements of people's right here and there. So it's our duty to see to it that to put a stop to it and come with one voice and say no to violation of people's rights. That is just what it is.
Okay, so what role do you think lawyers can play in the furtherance of human rights and the advancement of human rights in Nigeria? Do you think there's a role to play, and what active steps are you yourself taking in the furtherance of that particular role?
Yeah, thank you very much. You see, as lawyers, right, it is our duty to talk, learn our voices, speak, go to court. In fact, I take it upon myself, my office, Simbra Solicitors, we always do this thing every month where we pick up 2 pathetic cases of where people's rights are being infringed upon. For instance, we took it upon ourselves to carry out some pro bono services to those indigent people that can't afford those services to engage a lawyer. So we take it upon ourselves, go to the prisons to see how we can, on our own, from our own little role, try to decongest the prison from people that have a very sensitive and people that are not able to get access to justice, people that are not able to get access to lawyers. We do it on our own to make sure that we put up our own role, just to make sure that for the fact that you might be an indigent person, you should have access to quality legal representation, and that is why we are here. As lawyers also, it's not about whether you go to court or no, that's not the point. The point is you have a mandate. You have a mandate to speak up for people that can't speak for themselves. You have a mandate to look at those vulnerable people that their rights are being trampled upon. You air your opinion, you air your voice, and as God will have it, the most important thing is for us to get results, and by the special grace of God, there are results here and there. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for coming and being on the Premier Carpet with us today. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the conference.